Today, we're unraveling the fascinating tale of Sacagawea, a remarkable woman born around 1788 in Limhi County, Idaho. Ever wondered how a young Shoshone girl became an essential member of the famous Lewis and Clark expedition? Let's dive in. Imagine being captured at the age of 12 by enemies and then becoming a crucial part of one of the greatest expeditions in American history. Sacagawea's life was full of twists and turns. After being sold to a French-Canadian trapper, she found herself living among the Hidatsa and Mandan Indians. Now, picture this. It's 1804, and Lewis and Clark embark on their Corps of Discovery expedition. Sacagawea, despite being pregnant, joins them as an interpreter. But her role didn't stop there. She skillfully identified edible plants, saved essential supplies from a capsized boat, and even facilitated a family reunion with her Shoshone tribe. As the expedition reached the Pacific coast, Sacagawea's influence continued. She cast her vote alongside fellow explorers, helping decide where they would build their winter fort. After the journey, Clark, deeply fond of her son, promised to provide him with an education. But what happened to Sacagawea after her incredible expedition? Mystery surrounds her later years, with conflicting accounts about her fate. Some say she traveled to see Clark, leaving her son in his care, while others believe she passed away around 1812. Sacagawea's legacy lives on through tributes like statues and place names, honoring her immense contributions. Have you ever seen the Sacagawea coin, also known as the Golden Dollar? Issued in 2000, it celebrates this extraordinary woman, ensuring her story continues to inspire generations. Thanks for tuning in to discover intriguing facts from history. We hope you enjoyed this journey through history. But hey, before you go, make sure to stay with us for more fascinating insights. Join us on Freshbird Cartoon for another exciting fact-filled adventure.